The lighting is very bad and I don't know if you can see me or hear me. Welcome to another vlog. Thank you so much for joining in. My name is Mandy. I really do appreciate all the love and support. Please like the video, please. You're so welcome. If you are new to my returning subscribers, you guys, thank you so much for the continuous love and support. So today I want to start with deliveries. I have one delivery and it's overdue, you guys. The lady has ordered, she watches my channels, she supports me every way, so she's been waiting for her order for like 3 weeks. I've been getting like wrong orders and wrong measurements for her, so now at least finally getting to deliver. I just want to give her a call, update her, and I've also put in like a little something for her to say thank you for all your patience and all that. So I hope she does appreciate it. I think it's for her daughter, to be exact. What I put there is for her daughter, so I hope she loves it. So you guys, yeah, welcome to the start of welcome to a new vlog. Hey guys, I am, as you can see, I'm shopping for pot plants. Really love these sizes, you guys, and the prices were so amazing. But I'm just here to share something with you guys with regard to my channel. So as some of you know that I have removed the music, like I've cancelled my subscription, to be exact, with Epidemic Sound, because for me it was a bit too much. Considering that I'm not getting anything for now here on YouTube. Love their music. It's so nice. Love it so much. And I did reconsider getting another music, but for now I want to wait with that, because you guys, as you can notice, if you're a regular, my views have dropped so much. As you can see, I like they can go up to 300 for now, but previously I'll get videos that will do like not really well. Guys, you must not be, I don't know, confused by the number of views. I think those people were here for the music or something. I don't know, because ever since I stopped using Epidemic Sound music, my views have become very low. I know it sounds confusing, but I am grateful for that, because you guys, those people, now it shows with my analytics. They were watching my videos for like less than 10 minutes and it was killing my videos. I still appreciate you guys. If you're just a subscriber, you don't really enjoy the kind of content that I produce. Please don't mind my jacket. I know. So please don't mind it. Or must I just wear a jersey? Maybe I'll just wear my oversized jersey because this is not on. Welcome to another day of the vlog. So I want to take you guys along while I'm repotting my plant. I'm so happy I got the pot plants and the trays that I wanted. I'm not sure about the sizes though, but because I was just imagining my plants while I was at that shop. I didn't see that section. I've never seen that section, but I'm always there almost every week. I don't want to be too long, you guys. Probably I'll cook with you later today. I'm not promising. And if I have enough footage already with the reporting, I won't feature the cooking part. But thank you so much for joining in. I really do appreciate all the love, all the support. Thank you guys so much. We'll catch up later. I was trying to show you guys the prices with this pots, but I see that we're not showing. Going forward, I won't be using any music, you guys, until I'm happy with the kind of community that I have, because even with the duration now, I do have, it shows that people watch from the end, at least towards from the beginning towards the end of the video, unlike your video being watched for only like 6 minutes. So for me, I like getting views, I don't wanna lie, but if they affect my videos, I'd rather get people who really does enjoy the content. I know the content I'm creating is not for everyone, but those like my community who really love my content, at least with them they can watch from the beginning to the end. So that's why my videos have dropped. I have only those people who are watching, which is like from 250 to 300. Can't complain, I'm really happy. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to share that. And also with me, even though I like to get a lot of subscribers, I wouldn't like to, guys, please don't get me wrong. What I'm trying to say is that I would like maybe in future for my subscribers to match the views. I don't know if I'm making sense. And also like the duration and all that. But if I have like 1,000 people and then I only have 10 that is watching, it is so painful. So slowly but surely, I hope I'll gain my own community, because it's not, I'm saying it for the third time that it's not for everyone. So back to the video. I don't know if I showed you guys the brand of this soil. It's for indoor plants. I got it at Safari Gardens, where I keep my stock, and then the pots as well. These are so beautiful. I saw Pokesha say had a pot hers at Take a lot when she was reporting, and I'm not good with reporting, you guys. uh, please don't please don't correct me. I'm just using what works for me because I've done it before, but not using like new pots, and I don't think I've captured it. I'm not good with plants, and I'm not good with taking care of them, but they are still alive. This one was already dead because I left it outside for so long. This one that I'm reporting right now, some of the plants are dead as well. Hopefully it will come back to life again, because I'm so in love with monstera plant, you guys. This kind of monstera and this other one, this big one and this small one, they are not exactly the same. The leaves for this one has more like open spaces, hence. However, the other one, the small one, doesn't have that. So I love them for that. I love that they are both unique in different ways. So I really love for my plant to be okay again. I'm enjoying having plants, you guys. I'm enjoying it so much. I did well with this pot. It's big enough for my monstera. Now it's sitting perfectly. Guys, I hope you still do enjoy watching this video. Please do drop me a plant emoji or a pot plant emoji.
Ugoqekile. Isozovuka le mbali yakutshelana la. Ungaqhubeka nje uyichelene. Thula uzobona.
Hi guys. Let me pause. I'm watching Elizabeth Mutsepe sharing her grocery haul. So guys, let me be quick because Undalo is holding my phone. I need to get something proper to film my videos. So guys, my neighbor, I don't know if you remember that I shared I don't know when was it, but at the beginning of this year, I think it was March or April, when her son was admitted to hospital. She couldn't go there, she was sick. They didn't allow her, so I ended up standing in for her, going in and out of hospital before Hello was admitted. So if you're a regular on this channel, I think you do know that. So if you're new to the channel, you're so welcome. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you do enjoy it here. So guys, she called me and said, come fetch your food. I was like, what food? And then my husband saw the status, and maybe she means this, like the stockvel piles and all of that good stuff. So guys, imagine, that is why they say when you do things, do them at the goodness of your heart. You never know what God has for you. So she gave me 3, imagine 6, so now it's 6 kg of washing powder. I didn't have, I think on Black Friday I only bought 1, and also 1 2-liter of sunflower oil. And then she gave me these 2 Excella ones. But another one is, yeah, it has a hole somewhere here. I need to put that on the tin, the washing powder tin, before Mtanami gets tired. I've never bought 10 kg sugar in my house. Never. I don't know where I'm going to put these things, you guys, but this will last us, I'm sure, until maybe June or April next year. I'm not sure. A whole 10 kg of sugar, brown sugar, 10 kg. 10 kg rice, guys. Yo, I want to show you the food that I have on my cabinet, and then you'll see. We're still up where we were going to buy grocery, I think next week before I go to my work, if they approve me for this gig that I've applied for. So we were going to buy grocery then, but we haven't bought, and then we received this, and then 10 kg of flour, and then these she gave me 2. I don't know what these are. It's the first time I'm going to try these. Not that it's the first time. I've had them at home way back. I didn't like them, but now maybe because I'm older I will love them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have made it this far on this home vlog, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And guys, please don't forget the ads at the end of the video. I know now I'm going to say goodbye and then just click cross to be out of the video. Please wait for a few seconds for that ad for the last one to play, so that you can support me on the channel. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye for now.